Rosie ran outside into the yard. Coco, let go, let go. She cried. Coco let the bird go and jump away, but the bird stayed on the grass. Rosie ran to get the bird.
4.
And she went inside with it and showed her dad. Coco got this bird and
5.
she said, I had to take it away from him. It wing the broken.
It's wing.
Her father went to find the box. He put an old towel inside it. Rosie put the bird down on the towel. You did it again. They put some food and water in the box for the bird.
7.
And we'll put the box up here where Coco can get it, said Dad. The next morning, Rosie looked at the box. The bird was
8.
dead. Rosie was very... What was that sound?
I don't know.
Maybe that's your testing room.
Yeah.
Doing the headphones.
Somebody else is. Just read.
Rosie was very sad. Dad, I love Coco, but I don't want him to catch any more birds.
9.
She said. He will have to stay inside. Coco can't stay inside all the time, said Dad. He has to run around outside, but we can help the bird.
10.
We can put
Protect.
little. What's protect?
Keep safe.
But we can put a little bell on Coco. We can go to the store and buy one today, said Rosie.
What's the bell going to do, Braydon? Why would they put the bell on the kitty cat's neck?
So it will bring the bird away. The next day, Coco ran after the bird. The bell rang, the bell rang.
Good.
And the birds flew away, you hear?
That was 11, wasn't it?
12.
12. Okay, you did good.
Now